My soul is thirsting for God, the God of my life.
My soul is thirsting for God, the God of my life.
Like the deer that yearns for running streams, so my soul is yearning for you, my God. My soul is thirsting for God, the living God. When can I enter and appear before the face of God?
My soul is thirsting for God, the God of my life.
Oh, send forth your light and your truth. They will guide me on. They will bring me to your holy mountain, to the place where you dwell.
My soul is thirsting for God, the God of my life.
And I will come to the altar of God, to God my joy and gladness. To you will I give thanks on the harp, O God my God.
My soul is thirsting for God, the God